Well, what's up, everybody? We're here in JPM for Lorenzo's pretty sick Dominion dual auto. Yes, let's get going. First video I've done in a while. Just got home for Christmas break. So, we will go live. We are live at 10:18. It is 10:18 here in Denver, Colorado. We'll grab this lick. We got my boy Nick on top and Edward on the bottom. And we'll drop that fresh list in there. No spaces in between. Guys, we're going 3 times. Let me double check. Don't want to assume things. Yep, there it is. 3 randoms. So we are going 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Greg on top after 2. We will take that. Oops. Drop it. That timestamp was in at 10:19. It's 10:19. Guys, third and final random. Good luck, everybody. Greg, he rides the wave. Spot number 4. Congratulations, Greg. Oops. Don't want to do that. Take that third and final. Drop it in there. Final timestamp is in at 10:19. It's 10:19. Guys, again, 3 times. Greg, congratulations.